Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about how to check spelling in Excel 2013. First, write something here. You can use a mistake for checking a spell. So Excel spell check. Feature. So there have some mistake. So you can use Excel's spell check feature to catch all the spelling mistakes that autocorrect. Let's slip through. To spell check your spreadsheet, click the spelling button. You can see this is the spelling button at the beginning of the ribbons review tab, or press Alt RS or simply F7. So you can see there are review tab and first spelling. So click here and you see this. The first mistake is spelling mistake. This is use. So you can change it. Then Excel, click change, then spell change and feature, then click OK, and you can see this, the use Excel and spell and feature is already correct. So you can use this feature using shortcut F7. Now click F7 and see this, the spelling dialog box is showing here. So you can spell check by shortcut F7, then similarly change and Excel it's change, and spell is change, and feature it's change, then OK. So you can easily use spell check in Excel. When you spell check a spreadsheet, Excel looks up each word in the Excel dictionary. If the word is not found, as is often the case with less common last name, abbreviations, acronyms and technical terms, the Excel selects the cell with the unknown spelling and then displays a spelling dialog box showing the unknown word in the not in dictionary text box with the suggested corrected spellings shown in a suggestions list box below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.